checked what we have inside. And your caretaker's here, so you may probably want to talk to him basically more about specifics.
Okay. All right.
Downstairs now, there's not much visible
Okay.
problem at all.
Yeah. I understand there was a major furniture moving session today.
Yeah, we even had the fire department, one of the groups came in and helped us. So.
Mm-hmm.
From what we can tell, we got the best roof on this, so that's where everything's been moved.
Oh, good deal.
And that's why. And, you know, in essence, only speculating, we'd speculate after the first battle, that's probably what this house looked like, because it was bombarded.
Really?
Yeah, this was in Confederate hands.
Mm-hmm.
And it's bombarded from where the dairy barns out there is where the Northern had most of their batteries, and they bombarded this and the barn, which was across the way. And the barn, the Confederates had their cannons in the loft of the barn, so this was also a target. So.
Okay.
But you can see more damage upstairs.
Okay.
And again, it's not massive inside. Where's the black floored room? And it's above it is probably our best roof. And this one, our ceiling's okay, but all of the roof is gone. So you can look up here and there's nothing there, and that's what you can see from where you go outside. This whole section above here is gone.
So that's daylight coming out of that vent, huh? Oh, man. Was anybody inside the house when
No. My son and daughter-in-law went to the basement of the First Baptist Church.
Mm-hmm. So nobody injured in here either? Oh, good.
And then this newer part, we start seeing some damage in it. And then again, construction is not the same in this. This is like 1995, 1996 construction, and you can see what it does to it. This pushes the boards right down through the ceiling.
Wow. Oh, man.
And then the 1852 construction is better. And this is the same way. See, this room is a little newer. This is 1880 here. And again, it also is forced ceiling joists down from the pressure. And we have no idea what's going upstairs, but there's going to be major damage upstairs. So you can see light through here.
Yeah. So, have there been any damage estimates yet? No.
Get that thing off, I'll tell you what I told.
That's what's left of my Piper Tripacer. It's 1954 model, been around for over 50 years. I've flown it all over the country to Alaska, but it was sitting in my building over here.
Yeah.
And the building and the plane took off. The plane went this way and the building is strewn all over the country.
Oh, man. What other damage did you suffer to the house?
Oh, that big oak tree went right through the center of my house. It's probably 80, 90 years old.
Yeah.
And then my garage was totally leveled on the other side of the house. 24 by 40 shed back off over that direction was completely totaled out, leveled out. The Seventh-day Adventist Church on the west side of me was completely torn apart and just it blew into my house.
Oh, you have parts of the church that blew in here?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
A lot of this is all parts of the church. That a lot of the rafters and everything is from the church. It was all brick church, and my house is all brick. The only problem with my house, most of the bricks are there, but the tree went through it.